To prepare this Nutella Christmas tree, you need 2 puff partries rectangular if possible, some Nutella, 1 egg yolk, and some icing sugar. Preheat the oven at 190 degrees. If your puff pastries are round, spread them with a roller on a rectangular board covered with parchment paper to give them a rectangular shape. With a knife, cut the dough which exceeds on sides. With a spatula, spread some Nutella on the dough. Now cover it with the other puff pastry. Cut the shape of the trunk, the headland of the tree, and finally, cut branches on both sides. Then twist each branch. And finally, with a brush, paint the whole tree of egg yolk. Put in the oven at 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Sprinkle with icing sugar and serve. A very original Christmas dessert, so much fun to make with the little ones, and so good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.